Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some pineapple shrimp at the pit. Hold that. At the river. And it's easy to do. Here, Joseph Q's got some fresh shrimp. Throw them in a hot pan like this, your cast iron, or this one's a steel pan, and cook them quick. Don't overcook those shrimp. And if you're into shrimp, you know what I'm talking about. So we got the shrimp cooked. In goes some pineapple. This is a pineapple shrimp. And with that, we've got some raisins. Man, nothing like hanging at the river, right? Cooking up some pineapple shrimp. So in goes some cashews. Now, if you don't have cashews, use what peanut you like. Now, we've got some rice. Now, obviously, don't bring your rice cooker down to the river. There's no electricity, so bring some pre-cooked rice. Now in goes some curry powder and cilantro. Perfect. Mix it well, and there's nothing left to do now but eating in front of you. And Jacob is not apologizing. Whoo! Love them trips to the river. So as always, thanks for stopping by. We appreciate your support. And to get the exact recipe, head on over to our website. And oh, by the way, if you're looking for some Pit Boys, head on down to a store near you. Ask the manager.